Jensen. Tolentino fires a three. Turan drops it off to Tempra. What a finish. Cabagnot uses the Corpus pick. Tan with a getaway. To inbound, he gets it back. That's a tough look for Gab Dagangon. He's got 10 points. And to Corpus, he puts it in. Floor natin, Arwin gets it back and will finish. He has it, and Corpus lays it in. It's success. Tolentino off. Corpus with a big rebound. He's Eman Calo nagmamadali. Bumped by Tolentino. Bring back Larry Rodriguez right now if I am Jensen. Eman Calo. White bit.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!
Jackson Corpus is back in the game to start the fourth quarter, pero ganda naman yung first period nila.
At saka iba-ibang mga players nga, to your point, from the Jensen Warriors have actually contributed in that third quarter run on different parts of that third. When you had spurts where Eloy Tandin
4 seed, Basilan Star Horse, Pastoran. It's into Adi Santos. Tempra inside. Good play. Adi Santos connecting everyone there. Jackson Corpus. Bigay kay Val Acuña. Acuña. That's a tough shot. Jackson. Oh, tapik napunta kay Marvin Janicio. Unable to finish. Dalawa na
point blank.
Dagangon. Jump stop. Fires and hits.
Ang klase yung komportable na tira na yung kay Gab Dagangon.
Points para kay Gab Dagangon. Down to 8 ang lamang ng Jensen. Tolentino fires a three. And that's a big time shot. Galing kay Cal Tolentino. He's up to 14 points.
Coming from, action on the weak side, catching it and shooting it.
Calo to Dagangon. Well defended, but no problem para kay Gab Dagangon.
Now this was the pace that I was hoping in those first 3 quarters.
That's a foul on Dagangon.
Indeed, that's gotta be a foul. Magugulat ka rin
61. Pastoran drops it off to Tempra. What a finish. And James Tempra against the defense.
Hanggang katawan ni Kyle Tolentino doon, pero naitapos siya ni James.
Tolentino, the off-balance shot, short. Adi Santos doing what he does best with that rim run. Kyle drives right, the sidestep, no. Tempra, rebound, balik sa Basilan ng bola. Eman Calo nagmamadali, bumped by Tolentino. It's a blocking foul. Dagangon to inbound, he gets it back. That's a tough look for Gab Dagangon. What a shot! Galing kay Gab Dagangon.
Tip yun.
Elorde. Corpus, that's a three, in and out, rebounding Adi Santos.
Chance to pull a little closer here for Basilan.
I would bring back Larry Rodriguez right now if I am Jensen. Eman Calo and Nico Elorde refusing to let go.
Both energy guys.
At silang si Gab dito sa rebounding. Corpus is fouled by Adi Santos, and that is yung impact dito ni Jackson Corpus with regards to para kay Jackson Corpus. Cabagnot to Calo. 3. No. Rebound ni Gab Dagangon. Steps out to the three-point line. He gets clipped. He gets clipped by CJ Gonzalez, and that will mean 3 free throws. Corpus, binabantayan ni Tempra. Gets into Elorde. Nico, the extra pass. Tolentino misses the 3. Corpus inside.
Wow.
And that's what we've been harping about Jackson Corpus. He's got 10 points. Player career-wise dito sa floor natin. Arwin gets it back and will finish. Off the feet.
Leaving that right side of the floor for Arwin to operate on, and a good pass by Gab.
Kyle trying to recover. Adi with a steal. Basilan Pangasinan. Down by 4. Dagangon has it. That's a 3. No. Liu. Nagmamadali. Joel Liu. Scoop layup won't go. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Eloy for 3. No. Tapik ni Andy Santos. Here's Arwin to Gab. Drives. Gab Dagangon. My gosh.
Now they put Adi on Kyle. That's a good move defensively for Basilan.
Well, they got in success. Tolentino airballs the 3. Liu trying to chase that basketball. It's a turnover. Eloy Tan to Corpus. He puts it in.
Well, Alex did the best that he could to try.
Calo, 1-on-1 against Liu. Parehong Cebuano to. Calo, he's been off. Corpus with a big rebound. He's clobbered there.
It's just that strong. On anytime.
Yeah.
Wow. 3 guys on him.
Yeah, gotta give him space.
His contributions from the first.
Oh, over 2 for Jack. He gets it back. The extra pass. Eloy Tan for 2. The presence of mind there.
On the bench for quite a while now.
Atake si Cabagnot. Nabas kay Kaduyak. Back to Alex. Shot fake. Cabagnot with a jumper. No. Rebound. Arwin Santos. No good. Dagangon with a rebound. That's a loose ball foul. Acuna pops out. He'll launch the 3. That is short. Nagawan sa rebound. And it ends up with Jackson Corpus Panaagaw ni Arwin Santos.
Oh, that was big.
Dagangon, masyado malakas. Arwin is there. He's fouled by Marwin. 2 free throws coming up. But naagaw naman ni Arwin Santos. He sinks the first free throw. Wife Yvette, right?
Really silently leading the way for Basilan.
Price, wala pa din si Larry Rodriguez dito. Here's Liu, shot clock winding down. Liu with a turnaround shot. Tempra with a rebound. It's 5-on-4. Kaduyak, Tempra dives. Great defense. Arwin saves it to Dagangon.
Oh my.
That's a 3. No. Rebound nakuha ni Marwin Janicio. Under a minute remaining. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Eloy Tan against Cabagnot. Uses the Corpus pick. Tan with a getaway. That's a big play from Eloy Tan.
And what's impressive is how he did it. Make this more closer para dito sa Basilan against the Jensen Warriors. Oh no.
Dagangon for 3. He misses. Corpus with a rebound.
That was a good look.
Yeah. Eloy Tan. He gets trapped. Acuna has it. And Corpus lays it in.
And you try to pressure up top, leaving the defense at the back end, really getting outnumbered.
Cabagnot misfires and Corpus with a rebound ahead to Tan. And
here in the fourth quarter.
yeah, in the fourth quarter, this is where his team needed him the most. And the Jensen Warriors, Dagangon scores that one. And the Jensen Warriors will take game 1 of this best of 3 South Division quarterfinal series.
Oh, you don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!